worship and fellowship. We are delighted to have you here. To our visitor, for the first timer, welcome. I request everyone to stand up for our opening prayer. May I request my brother Jojo to open us in prayer.
Let's all stand up and fill the presence of the Lord. Heavenly Father, we lift up our Sunday's morning worship service to you as we gather to praise and adore you. May our voices unite in